What's up, scrappers? Ccscraps channel. Welcome, tool addicts, tool collectors. How's everybody? So I was gonna do some stuff in the shop. Mrs. Ccscraps brought something to my attention that her wok platform got left out in the rain that I had not known about that. So she asked me if I could clean it up for us. I think that's what we're gonna do. We were gonna do the electricity today, but fuck it. I'm just not in the mood. We'll get it next week. Famous last words, but definitely next week it's gonna happen. The reason is I gotta move that shelf. Like here, let's check it out. I gotta move this shelf to get in, and what my plan is that I'm gonna, cut the power off. I'm gonna go in here, loosen that out, drill through the middle, move this shelf out, drill through the middle, drill through the middle, drill through the middle, come up here. Where this wire runs is that plug here. That's here. Yoo-hoo. And that will go through. We'll take it all down and we'll bring it through this way, through there, reconnect what we need, and then I'll be able to hang wood. I know you guys like when I hang wood. So we'll go from there. What the
I'm hiding from the bees. Seems like the safest.
I almost kicked you. I didn't know who you are.
Bees won't leave me alone.
It scared the life out of me.
Oh, gosh, see?
Yeah, there are bees around here, man.
No, they're on me. They're bees. No.
That's because you're so sweet, baby. That's why. So what do we got to do in here? What are you trying to...
Oh, no. I can't get to the table because of the bees. Leave me alone.
So this is what she wants me to try to just clean up for her. All right.
Clean about 2. Oh, they're after you.
Well, I've got
they're coming after me.
I got little bristles in my shirt from the wire wheel. All right, let's get this on the wheel, man. So we're not going to the wire wheel. We are going to put it on the bench, and we are going to hit it with the cut brush is what we're going to hit it with. And we're going to try to do it that way. Let's check it out. Like, this thing's pretty rusty. Like, wish I'd have known that this was out there, and I would have, like, just brought it inside. But we're going to do it that way. So we're going to go from the top view. All right, y'all. So we're filming, and I just did a little bit on here to make sure it was going to move or whatever, but safety first, and we're going to cut brush the hell out of this thing, so sit tight. I always think this is cool. I like to show the numbers. You see those? It's just cool. All right, I'm going to get the rest of this cleaned up and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I got her flipped over. We're going to go on the inside here. All right, we're gonna pause the camera here, and then we'll get back to you when I finish this up. All right, so this process, we're gonna try a different wheel. I forgot what this wheel's called, but we're gonna get in there. Maybe it'll help me get into the thing here, into the inner parts. Let's get Mrs. Ccscraps seal of approval here.
I can't go
All
in
right.
there.
Yeah, you can.
Bare feet.
You got bare feet.
There's-
All right.
I can't bring the camera.
Is that good?
Mhm.
Good to go? Hold on. Here you go, baby. What do you think? We good?
Let's see. I like it. Yeah. Do you have any of that oil stuff?
Yeah. I got you. All right, so that's a winner. It's pretty dirty. She asked me if I could clean it up. I'm like, man, I don't know. I don't know if I had the tools for that. She gives me a funny look, so I kind of had to do it. Happy wife, happy life. Anyone can tell me what this brush is called, that would be highly appreciated. I can't remember what it is. For the life of me, it's on the tip of my tongue. But anyway, hope you all have a great weekend, and we will see you on the next, man. Ccscraps, have a great weekend.